When I was a kid and I was sitting in school listening to a math lesson or something that I was having a hard time paying attention to, I would take paper and crumple it up and then I would smooth it out. And I would do this repeatedly just to see how soft that I could make the paper. Paper has this quality that has an edge and feels sharp, but the more that you work with it and crumple it, the more it softens and somehow gets stronger. This strange paradox. And I started working more recently with crumpled paper and turning them into large scale drawings. And I've been exhibiting these for a while. And this is just something I stumbled upon by just being open to having a sense of childlike play around material and not worrying about whether something was perfect. In fact, the opposite, wondering if I could work with something that is flawed and scarred. So that's what we're going to explore together in this workshop in April for the Grunewald Guild. It's called Gesture Matter. And it's just all about getting back to this childlike sense of play by being with materials in a way that is very unprecious, just exploring and seeing what comes and not worrying about whether it's good or not. We figure that out later. So we play with materials, we experiment, we try different things. There is a long tradition of artists working in this way, this experimental, playful sense of inquiry about really just inhabiting a body in the world, uh, being matter, being created, being material, existing in a physical realm, and what is around us, and how do we be creative with that? So if you are creatively blocked and you are looking for an artistic path, this workshop is for you. If you are an experienced artist looking for a new line of inquiry in your work, if you're a creative misfit, for anybody who wants to have some fun, play with materials, try some new things, learn a different medium, discover that medium can be a lot of different things. Another part of this is the storytelling aspect. So once we start making things, we can start sharing them and we can start discerning what the work is about. You don't have to have the idea first, actually. The idea can come later in the way that you talk about the work and what it is and what it means. So I hope you'll join me in April for this workshop. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope to see you then.